ma rabtaa inaad ku baratid luqadda Englishka within 30 seconds or 30 minutes? Please, here I have for you the notice that you are supposed to learn. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you are there before, can you share and comment? Our lesson today is all about basic greeting, and then under the basic greeting, you're going to learn everyday greeting. Then a basic greeting waxaa la yiraahdaa yani hadallada ama salaamaha asaasiga ayaa waxaa la yiraahdaa basic greeting, laakiin topiga aan baranayno waxaa weeye everyday greeting. For example, now when we are saying everyday greeting, waxaa laga yaabaa maalintii oo dhan inaad qof aad la kulantid ama waalidiintaada la kulantid ama asxaabtaada aad la kulantid. So whatsoever you are meeting with those guys, how you could have greet ayaan ku baranaynaa casharkan maanta inshallah. So as you see on the board here, we have hello, your number 2, have a good afternoon, good morning, good evening, goodbye. All these words that you are seeing on the board waa waxyaabaha oo la isticmaalo maalin walba la isticmaalo ayaa la yiraahdaa. So hello yani is a type of greeting. Waxay ka mid tahay salaamo ayay ka mid tahay. You can use either you know the person or you don't know the person. For example, instantly waxaan inta badan isticmaalnaa when a person calls us through a phone. Qof markuu naga soo waco telephone ayaan inta badan isticmaalnaa hello. Soma is a type of communication. Waxay ka mid tahay yani qaababka qofka loola xiriiro ayay ka mid tahay. So here we are saying hello. Then we want to construct in a sentences. We have good afternoon. Good afternoon inta badan waxaa la isticmaalaa duuradii ayaa la isticmaalaa. Marka for example aad la kulanto qof, when you meet a person ayaa isticmaashaa good afternoon. Good morning sidoo kale taydan waxaa la isticmaalaa during morning, early morning. Subaxdii markii la joogo salaamaha ama qofka marka la kulantid weeyga aad ku salaamleedo waxaa la yiraahdaa good morning. Good evening waxaa weeye idana galabta la isticmaalaa from 12 wixii ka dambeeyo ayaa la isticmaalaa good evening. Goodbye waxaa la isticmaalaa when you are just leaving from someone. Qof markaad ka tagaysid or yani either you are going for a walk, either you are going for a panic, whatever you are going, ayaa la isticmaalaa goodbye. So here we have that's good, you know. Then we say hello, how are you doing? How are you? Hello, how are you doing? Hello, said hi with it. How are you doing? Said Remy Sawa. Isticmaali karaa waxaa leenahay good afternoon. Good afternoon, dear father. Good afternoon, dear father. Yani duur wanaagsan aaba macaan. Duur wanaagsan aaba macaan. This one can also say good morning. Good morning. Subax wanaagsan. My friend or mom. Good morning, mom. Subax wanaagsan hooyo. Subax wanaagsan hooyo. Subax wanaagsan. Good morning, mom. Good morning, dear friend. Good morning, brother. You can use it now and then, anytime you can use it. So everything, good evening, senor. Then we say, we also say good evening, dear friends. Good evening, dear friends. Good evening, dear friends. Yeah. دور يعني قلب ونعكسن أصحابي. Good evening, dear friends. قلب ونعكسن أصحابي. Then we say also this one. Goodbye. Goodbye, my colleagues or my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Yeah. Goodbye. Bye bye. مع السلامة. My friends is happy to مع السلامة. So erayaashi ayaan waxaan ka dhignay jumlada ayaan gelinay. Here we say hello, how are you doing? Say hi. Xaaladaad ka waran. Then good afternoon waxaa weeye duur wanaagsan waa. Dear father, aabe duur wanaagsan. Good morning waxaa weeye waa subax wanaagsan. Then we say good morning mom, subax wanaagsan hooyo. Good evening waxaa weeye galab wanaagsan waa. Then we say good evening dear friends. Galab wanaagsan asxaabteedii waa. Goodbye idan waxaa weeye waa mac salaama. Marka yani waxaa dhihi kartaa marka goodbye my friends, dear friends you can use or my friends dhihi kartaa asxaabteedii mac salaama. I'm leaving. So these are the what I'm going to explain today. So then we say our topic is all about everyday greeting. Then the everyday greeting is the greetings or the words that we use now and then by the time meeting with guys or your friends or your mom or your parents or other things. These are the what we are supposed to use as partially the time. Consider the times. Hello, you can use any time that you meet with a person or with a person calls you. Good afternoon. You can use it during noon time, almost at 1:00 and at 12 p.m. Good morning. We use early morning or the crack down. Like for example, at 6 and at 7, you can use all over there, almost there. And good evening, you use from 10 or from 4 to 5 or from 4 to 6 p.m. And then we use goodbye when we are just leaving from someone to living areas where we just normally work for. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. So I wish you to subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and then if you are there before, can you share and comment the video? Thank you very much.